My name is Sophia, and I am 25 years old. I live in a small town in London where the streets are quiet and the people are friendly. I work in a little gift shop that sells flowers, cards, and small presents for birthdays and special days. My life was simple, but I was happy because I had my best friend with me. Her name is Laura. We had been friends for 8 years, and during those years, we shared everything together. We always talked for hours. We laughed loudly, and we went to cafes almost every weekend. She was like a sister to me, and I trusted her more than anyone. One day, something new happened in my life. I met a young man named Tyler. He was funny, he was kind, and he was very handsome. From the first moment I saw him, I felt something in my heart, and I liked him. To my surprise, he liked me too. We started talking every single day, and after 2 months of knowing each other, we became a couple. I was so happy that I told Laura everything about him. She smiled at me and said, "I am happy for you, Sophia." I believed her words because she was my best friend. Laura met Tyler many times after that. The 3 of us went to the movies, and sometimes we had coffee together in the evenings. I noticed that Laura often looked at Tyler, and she smiled at him more than usual, but I thought it was nothing. I trusted her completely, so I did not feel worried. After some months, I began to notice small changes. Tyler did not talk to me the same way as before. He said he was always busy, and when I sent him messages, he replied very late. Sometimes he said he was tired, but I saw him online on social media at the same time. My heart felt strange, and I thought something was not right. One day, I saw a message on his phone by accident. The message was from Laura, and it said, "I miss you. Can we meet today?" My hands felt cold, and my heart stopped for a moment. I asked him why she was sending this message. He looked nervous and said, "It is nothing." But deep inside, I knew it was something serious. Later, I asked Laura about the message. I looked into her eyes and said, "Why are you sending messages to my boyfriend?" She smiled and said, "We are just friends." But her eyes did not look honest, and I felt broken inside. A few days later, when I asked her again, she finally said, "Tyler likes me now, and I like him too. I am sorry." Her words cut my heart like a knife. I could not believe it. My best friend and my boyfriend had betrayed me. I felt empty. I cried every night, and I lost 2 people I truly loved. I blocked Tyler. I stopped speaking to Laura, and I deleted all the photos we had together. Still, the pain stayed for many days. I felt sad. I did not want to eat, and I did not want to smile. I kept asking myself, why did this happen? I did nothing wrong. I only gave them love. But slowly time began to heal me. I started walking in the park, listening to soft music, and talking to new people. I met friends who made me laugh again, and I learned how to smile without pain. Now, I do not miss Laura or Tyler. I think about them sometimes, but I do not cry anymore. They made their choice, and I forgave them, but I do not want them in my life. I only want friends who are true, and I only want love that is honest. I learned an important lesson. Never give all your trust to someone else before you trust yourself first. Now I feel stronger. I know what I want, and I know what I deserve. One day, I will find real love, with no lies, no pain, and no fake friends. So, my dear listener, this is my story. If you enjoyed it, please like this video, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple English stories.